My name is John Pachera, Director of Client Services here at Pyramid Time Systems. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up one of our RF wireless synchronized clock systems.
In the login screen, enter the login ID, followed by the password, and click Login. The software will open and automatically discover and list transmitters or any Pyramid Ethernet device on the network. Before programming, be sure status device is discovered. This is designated by a green circle with white check mark. The transmitter will be set up to receive time from one of three time sources: NTP, which is recommended, PC, or GPS. To begin setup, double-click on the PTI transmitter from the discovery list. In the time source section, click on Use Global Settings, then Save and Close. Once the device configuration has been successfully uploaded to the device, you're all set, and you're now pulling time.